Hi guys, sitting in the car waiting for Nanny. Well, I didn't sit here for long. I actually went for a walk down to the local charity shops. I looked at this one, I put it down, I wasn't going to buy it, and went to a different charity shop, but I couldn't find anything else that caught my eye, so eventually I ended up back at the same charity shop, St Peter's Hospice, that'll be, with that blue label. £2.99. I normally pay 99 pence or £1 for something like this. Cross-country motorcycle. It's only 2 sheets of wood, but there's lots of pieces. And it did cross my mind that I could probably scan that in and try 3D printing a version as well. So I might get 2 videos for the price of 1. So, yeah, £2.99 for that. And then the next thing that caught my eye in the same shop was this fella, Tumblebot. Game, learn, DIY, do it yourself. Self-perpetuates. Every time it falls, it keeps getting back up again. Has 3 sensors, one on the belly, one on the back, and the legs. Sensors are triggered by falling, which enables it to get back up. And I did check in the charity shop, and it does look like the parts are unused. Gosh, they're actually rusty. This must be an old kit. Gearbox is ready assembled. When it says sensors, I think it must be mechanical sensors. I wonder if all the parts are there. Oh, stickers. Well, the only way we'll find out is to assemble it, isn't it? It does look to me like it's mechanical. The sensor's not electronic. Yeah, that looks interesting. So that'll be a video putting that one together. At least the instructions have got English and Chinese. Shouldn't take too long to put together. But we won't do it now. I'm not sitting in the car. Yeah. So that's today's charity shop, gold or garbage. I wonder how much that one was originally. Oh, £4.99 I paid for that. Again, a little bit more than I'd like to pay. But it did look like it was a complete kit. It'll be interesting to see how it does do the standing up when it's fallen over. It does look like the levers will alter the way the gearing runs to make him stand up. Gift Universe. We will see.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.